In this video, I will show you how you can disable VoiceOver from the lock screen of your iPad Air. Now there are two methods to do so. Now let's start with the easiest method. Now if you have enabled Hey Siri on your iPad, you can ask Siri to disable VoiceOver. Now just say, Hey Siri, turn off VoiceOver.
Okay, I've turned voiceover off.
As you can see, Siri has disabled VoiceOver on our iPad. Now let's say if Hey Siri is not enabled on your iPad. Now in that case, just press and hold on the side button of your iPad. And after you do that, Siri will be enabled on your iPad. Now just say, Siri, disable VoiceOver.
Okay.
As you can see, Siri has disabled VoiceOver on your iPad. If the power button of your iPad is not mapped to launch Siri, and if you have not enabled Hey Siri too, so in that case to disable VoiceOver, just follow the next method. Just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold your finger to open the lock section. Now just select each number and double tap to enter it. Just like that. And after you go to the home screen, now just open the Settings app. If the Settings app is not available on the home screen, just swipe to the right or to the left side using 3 fingers. Just like that. And you can switch between the pages on your iPad. After you find the Settings app, you just tap on the Settings app to select it, then double tap to enter. In the main settings page, just tap on Accessibility to select it, then double tap to enter. From here, just tap on VoiceOver, then double tap to enter. Now just disable this toggle by just selecting the toggle, then double tap to disable it. And as you can see, we have successfully disabled VoiceOver on our iPad Air. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.